In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the date and time settings in HubSpot for the year 2025. It's crucial to ensure your date and time settings are accurate, especially if you rely on HubSpot for scheduling and timeline management. This video will help you adjust these settings with ease, so let's dive right in. To get started, you'll want to navigate to your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, look for a section labeled User Guide. You can usually find this option on the homepage of your HubSpot interface. If you have any trouble locating it, you might want to check the top navigation bar or use the search function. Heading over to the user guide is our first step. Once you're in the user guide, the next thing you'll need to do is click on Settings. Settings are typically represented by a gear icon, making it easily recognizable. This is where you can tweak various preferences to make HubSpot work the best for you. Accessing this area is fundamental, as it's the central hub for all your personal configurations within HubSpot. When you've opened the settings, pay close attention to the menu options available. We're looking for the date, time, and number format. It's possible that this might be listed a little further down the menu, so you may need to scroll to find it. Clicking on this option will take you to the specific settings page where you can make the necessary changes. This step is where you'll make the adjustments specific to how you want HubSpot to display dates and times. As you make changes, you may wonder why this is important. Keeping your date and time formats correct ensures that your analytics and reports reflect accurate timelines and helps avoid any scheduling mishaps. Whether you're involved in marketing campaigns or managing customer interactions, having precise timing is key for smooth operations. Throughout this process, don't forget to save any changes. This is a crucial step to ensure all your modifications are applied. Often, at the bottom of the settings page, you'll find a Save or Apply Changes button. Clicking this will confirm your new settings, cementing the changes you've made. And there you have it. That's how you change the date and time settings in HubSpot for 2025. If you follow these steps, you should have no trouble adjusting your account to meet your personal or professional needs. Keep in mind that while this process is straightforward, it's always beneficial to review your settings periodically to ensure everything is up to date and functioning smoothly. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more HubSpot tips and tricks to enhance your user experience.